Hey guys, welcome back to another crazy Crazler vlogs video. The Crazler Ventures, episode 3. So, here we are in Puerto Rico. The view is nice. And right now, I'm probably on you guys are probably wondering what I'm on. Yeah, I'm on a giant chair. And, today we're going to a nice looking beach and yeah. Oh, it's sunny. Ooh.
Never been safe, but I've never come closer. Another year down and another year older. A million fresh starts, what I needed was closure. Yeah, I lost who I was, but I found my composure. Yeah, when I found you, I found me. Nothing around far as I could see. You were the current that carried me. When I found you, I found me. Lost in the sand, only you can read. My SOS, yeah, you rescued me. Rescue me. is hopeless. You are my light in this endless ocean. Yeah, feeling alive even just for this moment. Yeah, when I found you, I found me. Nothing around far as I could see. You were the current that carried me. When I found you, I found me. Lost in the sand, only you can read. My SOS, yeah, you rescued me. Rescue me.
Hey guys, yeah, it's Ethan from the future. So I just want to tell you that I never made an outro, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Sorry, I just didn't have time for editing, cause my plan was to make a video in a day, and then edit all the footage at night, and then next morning it would be a new video, and I'd start recording episode 2. Yeah, so that didn't go well. So this would have been 7 episodes, but it wasn't so. But hey, at least you made it to the end, and this is the end of episode 3 of Crazler Adventures Season 1. And I hope you guys have an awesome and blessed day. And don't forget to stay crazy. Woo!